Alright guys, so here we are 9:30. Alright. Here we are 9:30. Alright. Take this off. Alright, so I go to the 15 at 9:30. Also, we look at what it's doing. Alright, we're not gambling. Alright, now let's go look at this right quick. Alright, and let's look like it's dropping, right? Look like it's dropping. It's on the 1 minute. Let's go to the 15. Alright. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get in for a buy. Alright. I'm gonna pop a standard. Let's go look at it one more time. Make sure it don't drop some more, or let it drop some more before we get in for the buy. Alright. Boom. Pop the buy. Alright, so as we looking at this, why did I get in for a buy? Alright, look at that. The 1 minute time frame just gave us what we needed. Alright. It hit the bottom Bollinger Band. Alright. And I'm expecting it to go up. Alright. I'm expecting it to go up. And I just take my bread for the day and I get out. Alright. So this should go up, guys. Look at that. This should go up. Alright, we're not worrying about the drop that happened when it first opened for news. Alright, we're not worrying about that. Because at the end of the day, it's not going nowhere. Alright, if it wanted to drop, guys, it would have dropped. Alright. So that's what I look at. I look at everything. I look at how it wicked out. And I also look at the news. Trying to get the news to pull up here. But it's saying it's currently unavailable. Alright, as I can see, look, it's what the news gave me. Buy. Alright, it's giving me buys, all buys. So when the market open, it's gonna give you that drop first. Look, it's gonna give you that drop first, but it's not dropping. Look at this, guys. Look at this. So what we're gonna do is close this trade. Now we can hold this trade if we want to, but for what? That's $1,600 just like that. And I'm through for the day because this can potentially sell or buy. It's just I know when to get in, alright, for what I'm looking for. Now, 9 times out of 10, if news says it's gonna buy after the drop, alright, after the drop, let me show you right quick. After the drop, it buys all day. Alright, so the 1 minute time frame just gave us the sell indication. Alright, but at 9:30, this is gonna do what it want to do. I think it's gonna continue to push up. I'm not sure. That's why I took my money and got out. And you can do the same every morning, 9:30. You don't have to be in the trades all day. You can make $1,000 or more and get out of the trade. Alright. So look, it can potentially do this until 9:45 and then shoot up all day. Alright, so let's look at yesterday. Look, yesterday it bought all day. Alright, bought all day. But if we do like market structure and everything, it looks like it's going to sell. Alright, because it's round and it looks like it's going to drop. Alright, but news told us buy. All you gotta do is be patient. Now if you want to hold indices, the best thing for you to do is to wait for 9:45 to get you a definite like setup. All right, 9:45 will give you a definite setup, but at 9:30 you can catch those pushes like I just did, make your money and get out. All right, make your money and get out. So I'm gonna do it like that. See what it do. 9:45. If it break above or break out, all right, that's what it should be doing for the day. But you know, the market does what it want to do. But I just showed you guys how I trade news. I keep it simple. I keep it easy. I don't try to hold this all day. I just made $1,600 and I'm through. I can go work out now. I can, you know, do what I want to do for the day, and it's over with. You know, I don't have to. All right, guys, look at this. It is dropping. All right, it is dropping. So, what you don't want to do is make $1,600 and then hop back in the trade. What you want to do is close your laptop, go do something productive, like working out, running. Go do something else. Just close this laptop, because what you're going to do, oh, it's dropping, and I'm going to get in for a sale. And what it's going to do is come right back up, probably. If it drops your way, then cool, you good to go. But you don't want to risk what you just made, all right? You don't want to risk what you just made. So if this dropping, it could potentially come right back up, all right? That don't mean you're going to make money just because you got in because it's dropping, all right? You see it's already wicking, all right? 9:45 is going to give you the definite, 9:45 is going to give you the definite, like, direction that they want to go, all right? That's what I've been noticing when I've been trading indices. So that's how I trade the news. I just go to this. I look at this right here. All right. So this is showing, you know what I'm saying, NAS 100. Don't know what they want to do yet. Everything else is buying. Gold buying. XPX 500 buying. Let's go look at XPX 500. Look at that. Buying. All right. So, US 30, let's go to NAS 100. See, NAS 100 did the opposite. It's going up. So let's look at this one more time, all right? Let's look at this one more time. And I really want to wait to 9:45, but, you know, I got things I got to do. But that's really how I trade the news, guys. I hop in. I waited for 9:30, all right? I wait for an indication of what it's going to do. You're going to get one good push at 9:30 every morning. Like, look, this is one good drop. This right here was enough for me. This was enough for me to make $1,600. Imagine how much money this is if you caught this drop. It's up to you on what direction you want to go in and get in for, because it's going to do both. It's just up to you. You're not gambling. You just have to figure out how it moves and how to get in. That's it. Don't be scared of 9:30 news. I used to be, until I figured out what I was actually doing. And then, you know, every morning I make my money at 9:30 to like 9:45 and I'm through. Really not even to 9:45, because it happens so fast. I take my bread and I go. Now, I don't hop in this. I don't look at it. All right, I don't look at it. And I don't like try to be greedy. No, I take this money and I go about my day. And I come back to the markets like later on at nighttime, see what I can get here and there, and then back in the morning for news. All right, y'all, look, you see how it wicked right back up? This was a good buying opportunity. All right, this was a good selling opportunity. It depends on how you look at it. So if this video was helpful to you, make sure you go ahead, hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, forget to turn the notification bell on. Other than that, I'm out.